Thank you.
Mount calls for the IEC Commissioner Janet Love to be arrested after accusations that the IEC is busy rigging the election results, assisting the African National Congress and the Democratic Alliance to get more votes. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party made a media briefing midnight. They stated that they have proof IEC is busy rigging and cooking the results. They have been reporting these cases, but the IEC is not doing anything about it. It's not only the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, the Economic Freedom Fighters, ACT, Magashule's party are also complaining about rigging, even in the Western Cape, where the DA is leading. All other parties are complaining about the same thing, and they are furious.
Saying people, how many of those votes have we lost at the EFF?
Duduzile Sompudla Zuma, the daughter of the former president, took it to her ex-app account and said that Janet Love needs to be arrested. She is calling out Janet Love for fraud since they have dismissed the current election results and are insisting on manual recount. Other party agents came with proof and the IEC is blue-ticking them. Janet Love has been suspected of rigging the results before in Democratic Republic of Congo. In May 2023, 4 Congolese opposition candidates have called for the withdrawal of Janet Love, former vice chairperson of the Electoral Commission of South Africa, from the audit of this year's voter registration in Democratic Republic of Congo. The DRC said that she has helped legitimize the fraudulent fabrication of an electoral register. Martin Fayulu, head of the Commitment for Citizenship and Development Party, who most outside observers believe won the 2018 elections, as well as Moise Katumbi, head of Ensemble Pure, Lee Changement Matata Ponyo, head of Leadership of Governance Pure Development, and Deli Sisanga Hipungu, head of Envol, all signed a letter to ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula calling on the ANC to pull Love, a member of the ANC, out of the DRC audit. They said they were dismayed by Ms. Love's endorsement of electoral process in the DRC and noted that civil society, the Catholic and Protestant churches, the entire political class, and all the people of DRC except the government had rejected the just completed voter registration as a masquerade, only benefiting those in power. In a letter copied to Presidency and the Speaker of the National Assembly, the candidates complained that the DRC political opposition and civil society had been completely excluded from the voter registration process, preventing them from verifying if it was conducted properly and fairly. Fayulu also told Daily Maverick the opposition suspected that the Independent National Electoral Commission had inflated voter numbers in President Felix Tshisekedi's strongholds and suppressed them in opposition strongholds. The opposition had no way of knowing if some voter registration machines might even have been delivered to private homes where fictitious voters could have been registered. Fayulu said he believed that Love had been chosen for the audit in what he called collusion with the Senate President Denis Kadima, who he said knew her from South Africa, where he once headed the Electoral Institute for Sustainable Democracy in Africa. And this is the article that was published by Daily Maverick. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.